Okay, we have a KODAK Tab K11. This is an Android tablet, 128 gigs of storage, and if I'm not wrong, 4 gigs of RAM. That's what I think it is on it. And this is the quick start guide if you need to consult with it. Nice packaging, gotta say that. It says Android 15, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, battery 8000 milliamps, 11-inch, 1200 by 1920, octa-core processor, and that is it. Camera 5 megapixel inside, 16 megapixel exterior, and I mean that's all. You don't need anything more. Tablet itself. Let's see what else we have. Some sort of a package. Let me just unpack everything, then we'll check what's actually on the. Oh, why is this heavy? There's something in here. Let's investigate this one. Too interesting. Oh, okay. So actually, there's a case, a cover, a Kodak branded case, KODAK Tab K11. So that is really cool. Look, I like that. And what's in this one here? Probably a cable. Yep, it is a cable because we have to charge it somehow. Nice USB-C to USB-A for charging the tablet, just like this. Nice. Okay, let me put that on the side really quick. Then we have the tablet itself. That is what I've been waiting for. Oh, build quality before getting in feels sturdy, nice, and the back is some kind of anodized aluminum. It's not plastic. Sides are aluminum as well. This is really nice, actually. That's the big camera, little LED flash, and then we have the Kodak logo right here. On the side, you have volume rocker up and down, power button. On the top here, you have speakers. On the other side, nothing. On the bottom side, 2 more speakers, a USB-C, some kind of slot here, micro SD card. But let's peel it up. Oh, this always feels really good. I'm a fan of that. Okay, there's the interior camera right here. Oh, look at that. I almost forgot. Look what we have here. Yes, headphone jack. Yes, I welcome that. Let's turn it on. If it has any battery. Looks like it has some. Okay, we're good. Let me see what's going on here. I'm going to put it on this in a second, actually, but just for now, let me put it here so you can see on camera. Kodak. Okay, and we just need to set it up, I guess, at this point. English, United States, start. And it says to connect to a Wi-Fi. I'm gonna just connect to a normal Wi-Fi I have here. Okay, getting the tablet ready now. And I'm gonna set it up real quick. I'm happy to see that it has not been pre-set up. That's to me, it's a big deal in security side of things. If it has not been pre-set up, I'm good with it. I like that. So I'm gonna set it up real quick and get right back at you. Okay, so everything has been set up and ready to go. And I got a few apps, just to have them. All the apps I tested so far work on it really good, except Instagram. What the reason for that is, I don't know, but if you go to Play Store, it says this app does not work on your device. Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, all the rest work, and even email works. Actually, AOL is still a thing, believe it or not. But besides that, I got one of these little tiny apps that I'm a big fan of. Not sure if the microphone will pick it, but I'll try. Look, you hear that? This is actually really cool, especially if you're trying to learn piano or whatever. I mean, it works. Well, and the beauty of it is that it can do multiple touches at once. As you see, that means the tablet works because that's a good test. This piano thingy. And of course, in the app, you can go to Raves tab. And what else works here? Oh yeah, games as well work. Open camera. This is just how the camera looks like. It's not bad, for the price of this tablet. It's definitely not bad. Okay. Well, let's take this out of here. And besides that, besides the camera, of course, the usual stuff. YouTube, for example, can work flawless. And I find these speakers to be actually quite good. Gotta say, really good. You hear that? This is actually coming from these speakers directly. And it sounds pretty good. Here we go. And that's how it sounds. And yes, you can play videos in full. You can go in higher resolution if you wish so. And yes, we have Asphalt. I mean, there's no chance I'm reviewing an Android device without playing some Asphalt. Let me lower the volume because we don't need none of that. And because Asphalt has some kind of copyrighted music, and I'm not into that. I don't like copyrighted music. Okay. These game developers, man, come on. You want to let a person play it or not? It's that simple. It doesn't require science. You just let me play the damn game. Simple. If I don't want to play it, I just put the tablet down and I don't play it. You don't need to hold my hand on everything and tell me, oh, how dangerous it is if I don't tell you what to do. I don't need your protection at all. Let me jump here real quick. And turn this way, and boom. We are finished. First. Done. That's how you win a game on the easiest games on planet Earth, but it works. That's all I wanted. The whole purpose. And what else do we have here that would make you think you want to check it out? We have another car race, obviously. We have PDF reader for documents. I have 0 documents in this tablet. Allow access for files. Yes, but I don't have any files. Go ahead. Yeah, find the files. We have a welcome file. That's perfect. So yeah, for reading, it's actually, the screen is pretty good. It's nice enough. Then what else do we have? We go to the apps. TikTok. I don't have TikTok here, but you know, I have the app. So I'm not going to sign in, but the app works, and that's all you need to know. And besides that, yeah, I mean, just I have some music apps. I'm not gonna allow that, and I'm not gonna record any audio. You know that. Just gonna see what happens here. Oh, try a free trial. Ah, how cute. No, absolutely not. Skip. Gee. And the free trial is with a credit card, not just a free trial. Okay, let's do something here. Ah, you can make music. Nice. Nice. Actually, it's pretty good. It works. That's all you need to see here. So, I mean, it does everything a tablet of 4 gigs of RAM would do. Now, yeah, you can say it's 12 gigs because if you go to the settings, you can do the add RAM, but that's usually virtual RAM that grabs another 8 gigs from the storage and makes it into RAM, which is usually not the fastest thing you can have, but hey, you can have it. Storage 128 gigs. System updates. CPU is a T606 octa-core processor. up to 1.6 gigahertz, and battery 8000 like I said, screen 1920 by 1200, and the rear camera 16 megapixel, front camera 5 megapixel. And if you click more, you just find the device stuff here. The OEM is, by the way, unlocked. So if you go in developer options and you find a way to install your own operating system, and you can do that. I'm not going to enable it now, but maybe later I'll take a look at that. You have Bluetooth, you have all the connections that are needed. And besides that, well, let's test this little thingy that came with. Which side is which? One side has charging ports, so it's this side here. And let's go in the sleeve. You know, we're just taking safety precautions. Putting a rubber on it. Okay, and you can fold this towards the back and make it into a stand. That's the whole purpose of folding this on the back here is. And it works. Oh, before I close this video, I have something. All the AI stuff, if you want to, works on it without a single problem at all. I don't know what to tell it, but I'm just gonna do latest news. Imagine me watching news. Hell no. Just doing it for the video. And you have US news right here. I mean, that easy. Grok works, ChatGPT works, Gemini works, camera works, Microsoft Word. I don't have a license for it and I'm not gonna sign into it. But if you do all that, you will have Microsoft Word working on it, or whatever, Microsoft Office. Besides that, we are good here. The Android is 15 actually, as you see right there. System Android version 15, a security update March 5th of this year, and that is pretty much it. Here's your memory extension if you want to add more RAM. Right now we are on 4 physical plus 8 virtual, which is virtual from the drive, from the storage. You can put it on none if you want to. That's up to you. Besides that, there's nothing else that I would be able to tell you except for this is the entirety of this tablet. Everything that's on it works. So as you saw yourself, games work, documents work, social media works, browsing works, web browsing. A toaster can do web browsing these days. I have Brave here, just, you know, why not? And yeah. You can just browse stuff. Just I'm gonna put this and it's gonna tell me nothing because that's not really a search query. Oh, it gives me something, whatever this stuff is, but you can search. And besides that, of course, you can install your own Zoom and whatever you do if you use it for school or work. All those things actually work on it. And this is how the tablet looks. Actually, it's really cool. Especially for the price, it's a nice tablet. I tell you right now. Look at that. So this works too. The magnet lift up and down, just like Apple tablets have. If you lift it, turns on the screen. You put it down, turns off the screen. And besides that, there's nothing else that we can show on it.